How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got one ticket here. We got one of the $20 230 million cash explosion ticket from the Arizona Lottery. Now these ones here, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, so we need a little bit of help today. This one here, the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. And today we are working with ticket 0, and the store was counting down, so we got the last ticket of the pack. Alright guys, on this one we are looking for that money bag symbol to win $100 instantly, or that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Enough talking, let's get into it, get scratching, and get some wins. Ticket 0 here, and our winning numbers here, we got 13, 39, 22, 43, 10, 33, and 23. Alright guys, let's see how we do today. Can we beat the odds? 18, 27, 39, and we do beat the odds. Look at that, we got a match on 39. Alright guys, let's keep it going, see if we can get a couple more matches. 48, 41, 12, 42, 35, 37, 32. No. 25, 34, 14, 24, 3. We got 2 rows left. 47, 29, 21, 36, 50. Last row. 38, 31, 8, 13. Oh, we do get a match on 13 as well. All right. We got 2 matches and 1 in the corner. Let's go ahead and start up here with this number 39 here and see what we get. Hopefully something good. $10 there. All right, and moving back down to the number 13. $10 there. So we got 20 back. We got our money back for the session. As always, guys, if you haven't before, hit that subscribe button. If you would, give this one a thumbs up, help the channel out, and we will see you all on the next one.